Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create 2D drawings of 3D object in 3ds Max. And use the script that convert 3D object in 2D drawing. It's very easy, just in few steps you can know it. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the 3ds Max scene. Object is in two part. We need the drawing of this. So you have to go to the scripting. Run script. In scripts you have to use Go AutoCAD script. Download link in the description. Script will be open. Just click on Go AutoCAD. No issue if it's give you the unknown error. So you have to attach the object parts. Make it in one object. Now try the script again. Just click. You can see it's create the 2D drawing of 3D object. You can easily export it in AutoCAD. Delete the 3D object. Go to the file. In Export, click on Export. Make the name. Save as type. Select AutoCAD DWG format. Give the location. Then OK. File has been exported. Let's open the CAD file. All good. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.